Okay, so just a little bit here on resistance training. So you all know what resistance training is, but how does it relate to protein? So you guys that are working with athletes or teams and so forth, one of the things that happens is you have a little change in amino acid oxidation. In other words, when you think about oxidation, is how well something is used. So in other words, when you're exercising, there is amino acids are not oxidized, they're not utilized. There's a little change in it. It also depresses protein synthesis. This makes sense. When you're depressing protein synthesis implies that you make protein, right? So when you depress protein synthesis, you're actually preventing it, you're inhibiting it from happening. And then, of course, we know that resistance training elevates muscle breakdown. So interestingly, as you guys have probably learned in your exercise physiology, eccentric work equals greater protein turnover. So anytime we do resistance training, we're actually utilizing protein. We're damaging protein structures and we're not actually lifting to gain muscle mass. Okay, that sounds counterintuitive, right? But we also know that post-exercise, we have to replenish that protein, and that protein ultimately helps with the formation of new protein structures and ultimately strength.